Hello. Guess what has finally arrived? My planners. And yes, I already opened up a few of them. And I am just doing quality control, but I only got through one box so far. The planners, they are here. They came last week, Friday. It is currently Tuesday. It is February, what's today's date? Oh, I don't know watch. Today is February 20th. They arrived 4 days ago. So yeah, my babies are here. So it's all now preparing to launch these bad boys. So we have preparation to plan the launch. So I've been going hard on social media. I've been growing my TikTok. I've been growing my Instagram following. As you guys know, I am a salon owner, hairstylist of my own independent salon here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I am expanding my business to do planners, apparel, keychains, enamel pins, all the things that just brings me so much joy and happiness. Oh, of course, and stickers. So yeah, so I'm actually in the process of getting keychains made and also enamel pins made, but I'm gonna have them as a little special, just a special selection, because I'm only going to be offering them for when I do my pop-up events in terms of going to marketplaces. So yes, you only could get those enamel pins and keychains if you come and see me at the events. All right, so we are on the way to launch this bad boy. So my launch date for these are March 5th at 8:08 a.m. because we really want great success with this, and we're just so excited about it. And you know, I'm just getting the hype around it. Now I just have to create more content about the planner, like what's in it, why you need it, what's the benefits of it, just show the girls what it looks like inside, show them all the fun activities that's inside of it. Oh my goodness, it's something I created last year. Every morning I was waking up every morning at 3 a.m. literally with new ideas, new designs. I just was wanting to go. All of my thoughts about how to make hair care fun and relatable and simplified, I put it into this planner. I think everybody's going to have such a fun time. You're going to be able to do it with your kids. You're going to be able to do it by, as yourself. It's just one of those things that's going to be so different, so unique. First pop-up, I'm actually doing a marketplace. I'm actually going to my first ever marketplace event, which will be the Black Girl Art Show, Spectacular Hair in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's going to be April 7th. Yeah, excuse my little lady right now. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing my first event. Oh my goodness. So I'm just preparing for that. Yeah, so that's a little announcement. So today is February 20th, and we are pretty much in crunch time mode. I really want to plan a little soft launch as well for my planners. Just something light, nothing too heavy. It's something that I'm thinking about because I am trying to do so much. I'm trying to invest in something. Also, I'm trying to keep my get ready for the pop-up. Also trying to be a stylist behind the chair. But this is our year 2024. We are going after everything that God has placed on my heart, everything that He has placed a vision. He gave me the vision, so now it's just time for me to execute the vision, and now it's time for me to go to work. So I am so excited. I'm so happy. This is like my baby, my second child. Like, obviously you guys know I have a little one, but this is like my second child, and this I'm going to devote my time, my efforts, my energy, all of it into expanding Ashland Hair Care, because I really want Ashland Hair Care to not just be a salon. I want it to be it's a brand. So yeah. But yeah, that's all the updates for right now. It's currently 12:25 and we have to go. So I'll check in with you guys next time I have any updates for you. Okay, all right, bye.
everybody. It is currently 12:04. Today is launch day. It's not happening until 8 o'clock a.m. But your girl had some things that she needed to work on, which was an ebook for my wash day regimen cards. Also, I needed to work on the thumbnail image for the sticker sheets that I also have available. Super excited about that. And now I'm working on the email campaign to go out at 8:08. I guess at 8 o'clock. Send out the email at 8 o'clock, and I get them ready. They're ready. But yeah, my email, everything is looking so good. Now I just need, yeah, so that's what's going down. Oh my god, I love the way my ebook turned out, you guys, because pretty much the planner only comes with one regimen wash day regimen card. So if you have multiple people that's going to be using this planner, the wash day card is going to be able to help multiple people. So for instance, if you're a mom that has 2 daughters or 3 kids, right, then you're able to do your regimen in the book, but you're also able to download some extra regimen cards, so you'll have them for your daughters or your son. But yeah, so excited about it. It looked so good. And yeah, if you guys want to go check it out, by the time you guys see this video, everything will be live at www.ashleylynnhaircare.com. Right, so right now this is the email that I'm working on. Oh my gosh, we just got an order. Oh my gosh, I know who this is. For 23 planners for $411. With purple hands, I know the drill. All right, so we got orders to pack. All right, so we have been averaging 2 orders per day ever since the planners launch. We've been getting some digital planners downloaded, my e-planners, also getting some hard copy planners, and also people are just loving also buying the sticker sheets, so that's exciting. So I have these ones. I shipped out some orders today, and yeah, I also have this other shipment here. This is actually my sister, and she bought it for all of her nieces. So we shipped out 4 packages 4 orders today at the UPS. And then we also have orders at the salon that was picked up. I also have orders that still need to be picked up at the salon. So still waiting for those ladies to come and pick up their orders. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get these planner orders set. So this lady here, Miss Amber Smith, ordered one 6-month dateless hardcover natural hair planner. So let's go ahead and package she up. So what I've been doing, I have been wrapping my planners in this white, what you call this, tissue paper. So I actually put a dent in this the other day because our good friends ordered 23 planners. They are ministers out in Atlanta, and they have a women's group, and she said it's such a perfect gift to give to her women, and she's thinking about a program that's going to include the planner. So I shipped out that order today too. I was so excited. It was 23 pounds. Well, yeah, it was 20. No, was it 23 pounds? I think it was like 14 pounds. It wasn't that heavy, but yeah. So I literally have this stash here. All of this was gone. So I be having goals at least to sell 1 or 2 planners in the salon, and then 1 or 2 planners online. And then, every day we just keep it moving. So I'm super excited. And yes, I am wearing my merch, Hair Goals, all about hair care t-shirt that I create myself. So I really love this one, especially on this gray. But anyway, all right, enough talking. Let's go ahead and do this. So cute. We love a cute packaging moment. Excuse my hands. I am a hairstylist in the salon, and I did color today, and of course I did not put my gloves on after I was about to rinse out, so don't judge. But yeah, so let's go ahead and package Amber's order. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy people are buying them. Alright, so let's Amber. What I have been doing, just keep track of it, put all my orders down there. Alright, so this lady Shanae just got a sticker sheet. So I am going to give her a keychain because she's amazing for just purchase. She actually bought the digital planner. So I think she probably just wanted something, a physical product. So yes, I have these little ones here that we're going to go ahead and get her a sticker sheet. This is what my sticker sheets are all about: hair care, hair love. Sticker sheets look like super cute. Pretty much has exactly what is in the planner. So let's go ahead and give her a thank you card. Also give her a sticker of my logo. What we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and put everything together. I'm also going to give her a freebie of a keychain because she is dope. Your one, it doesn't hold. Huh? Alright, just had to finish bathe my baby and put her to bed. So let's just finish pack Shanae's order. This is Shanae. One from, actually, yeah, so this one was Georgia. The other one was Mississippi. MS, I think. When I say lay down. Alright, so Sierra from California got Hair Love sticker along with the 6-month hardcover stateless planner. We're gonna fight. We're gonna fight for your life.
He says, where is that guy?
Thank you, Christine. Excuse me. Let's see, Paris order. Oh, Gail from Connecticut. She got a heart